Hey guys, today in my kitchen I literally have no time to cook or a very minimal amount of time to cook. So what am I going to do? Girl dinner. All you need to do for this recipe is prepare some fruit, get some baked goods, maybe some cheese and meat, and you're set. So stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen and let's see what I am creating. You will need any type of pre-baked good, some cheese. I used very fancy cheese here. A fruit platter, or you can chop your own fruit. 1 or 2 limes and some honey. You can also do like meat, snacks, anything you can think of that's already prepared for you. Go ahead and get that, and that's all you will be required to have. You can even do themes out of this, like Italian, Halloween based, so many things. So let's get creative with it. To start on my girl uh dinner, I am gonna get the most prep work done quickly first. So if you want, you can keep your fruit pieces from your platter nice and large, or if you're chopping it, you can make them nice and large too. I am personally going to chop mine into smaller bits because I find that the flavors really marry well from the dressing if they are in smaller pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, but that is completely optional for you. By the way, some of the fruits that would be really good in this include grapes, strawberries, any type of melon. I would avoid stuff like bananas, but also pineapple is really good in a fruit salad like this that I'll be showing you the dressing for. So just basically any fruit that can hold up to a good marinade. I would also avoid very soft berries and stuff like persimmons and yeah. And now I am just gonna wipe down my board because I'm gonna work on some cheese and my knife too. And you don't want the cheese to have moisture in it. So as I said before, I'm gonna work on the stuff that takes a while. So I'll start with my wax cheese. And we'll get back to the fruit salad in a second. I just want to get everything chopped up first. So just simply chop these into any size you want. I might do these a bit bigger than I did my fruit, just so it doesn't take a lot of time to prepare. So I'm just going to cut them into small wedges, which is easy since it's round. And you'll get that for your round cheese. And for my square cheese, I am going to cut it down the middle this way and do it into smaller squares. Just because it doesn't take as long to prepare. But do whatever you want to, as long as it makes you happy, right? I can hardly wait to try this cheese. I haven't tried these before. And now getting back to our fruit salad, I am going to heat up 1 lime for about 20 seconds in the microwave, and I'll show you what to do after. Now that our lime's heated up, I am just going to press down on it and squeeze it as I roll it. Ooh, man, it's squirting out at me. I have never seen a lime squirt out from here, just in a steady stream before. That was wild. And we're back to hopefully cutting it without getting squirted again. I'm just going to cut open my lime, and then I am going to squeeze the juice over my fruit. I might actually need two because I don't really have good limes here. Yeah, I might need two. BRB. So after lime juice is added in, I'm just going to do a nice little squirt, about 2 tablespoons of honey to start. And here comes Mr. Smiley to mix it all up. And we'll see how it tastes and adjust the seasoning as needed. And that's as simple as this salad kits. I'm just going to have a little taste to check for seasoning. A little bit more of everything will do. More honey. More lime juice. I better use a different fork. Taste test again. This is the fork that I used to squeeze the lime, so don't worry. That is a lot better. After a quick photo op, I am going to bring everything together on a platter. So I am not going to open this yet because I'm not ready to eat it. But that is a red bean bun. It's really good. I highly recommend you try it. A couple of my brownie bites. Maybe 4. Couple pieces of cheese. And finally, my fruit salad. And that is my girl dinner. Before we go, you know I have to try some of this cheese I never tried before. This is Red Leicester. It's from Derbyshire. And I really like Red Leicester, but I never had this brand. And this is a good Irish cheddar. They're kind of similar, only I prefer Red Leicester just because it's more sharp in flavor. So let's start with the Irish cheese. This is Kerrygold Irish cheddar. I highly recommend you try that. And the kind I usually get for Red Leicester is Castle Combe, but this is Bradbury. So let's give that a try. Bradbury is so good for the Red Leicester. It's better than Castle Combe, I say, but I'm not really sure because I don't really eat a lot of cheese too often. I find it's creamier than the Castle Combe, and it has a really nice flavor. So definitely check out Bradbury's or Bradbury's. I forget where the S goes, but it is so good. It'll come in wax, and it's from Derbyshire, England. So go try it if you can find it. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you don't mind leaving a like, subscribe, comment, or share, really does help my channel. And until next time, a banana.